sobrang approved. Kaya ano, kuha na kayo dito kay Sir Ray. Walang walang bias 'yun, talagang ano, assist ka niya hanggang sa dulo.
So what's up guys? So today we have a release which is the Expander GLX Automatic and Jet Black Mica. So ito siya guys. So yan siya. So before natin i-release kay client, i-check na muna natin yung unit kung may gas-gas, damage, or whatsoever. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako, check natin yung unit. So ito yung unit ng client natin guys, which is the Expander GLX Automatic and Jet Black Mica. So ayan siya guys, sobrang kinis. Actually hindi pa yan napupunasan, no. By the way, today is Saturday guys. So ngayon yung pick up nila, Friday yesterday, kahapon namin inasikaso lahat ng dokumento and everything. Para ngayon kukunin na lang nila kasi sobrang busy nila as a government employee. So tara check natin yung unit guys. So ayan yung front fascia design ng Expander. So here on the side, we have a 17-inch alloy wheels two-tone, which is the new design of the wheel from the 2025 to 2026. So before, yung design ng gulong niya is parang hurricane. So this time, it's like a blade. As you can see, ayan, napaka-aggressive and mas stylish ngayon yung design ng gulong ng 2026 Expander GLX automatic. So here naman sa likod, same lang, wala naman actually major changes from the 2025 model. So ang naiba lang dito is the bumper. So mas lalong pinaganda yung bumper ng likod ng Expander GLX automatic. So we have also here a reverse camera, spoiler meron din syempre, and a T-shape LED rear lights. Check natin sa bubong. So ayun, wala namang any damage or gas-gas. So all good na yung unit ng client guys. So hinihintay lang natin siya para pick upin tong unit. Okay, check natin yung interior. So ito yung driver side ng GLX automatic variant. So we have here a 3-spoke steering wheel and combination, I mean the meter cluster, it's a combination of analog and digital. So yan. So everything is set and everything is good here inside, and so ito na yung papel or documents ng kliyente natin. Also we have here a sun visor both for driver and the passenger. So sa passenger lang merong salamin. Sa driver side wala. And also we have here a rear mirror. And sa likod, ito yung mga previous na ibibigay natin sa kanya. So medyo hindi nyo nakikita pero mamaya papakita natin sa vlog with my client. Yan yung loob ng Expander. So by the way, this is a 4-speed automatic. So yun, na-check na natin yung unit ni client. Ayan siya. So all set naman na siya. And all good na yan. Ibaba na lang natin or ipababa na lang natin. And then hintayin natin si client. And then syempre tanongin natin siya kung paano yung naging proseso namin or yung journey nila kung paano nila nakuha tong Expander GLX automatic. Again, Sir Marlon, congratulations and maraming salamat sa tiwala at sa pagpili sa amin dito sa Peak Motors Manila. Sir, question lang, paano nagsimula yung journey nyo dito?
Actually, ano, umpisa, nag-malling lang kami ng wife ko. Then,
Apo.
nakita niya yung ano, yung standard, ano,
Mitsubishi
yung,
unit doon, apo.
Mitsubishi na boutique doon. Then, yun na. Then, ikaw yung nag-assist sa amin all throughout naman ng ano, ng process. Na-update mo kami. So, malaking bagay sa amin yan na ano, napabilis yung process. Then, ano, dami bang ano, freebies.
Yun.
Tsaka, ano, ang pinakamahalaga kasi doon is yung transparent ka sa amin,
Right.
pati sa other kong mga kasama na kukuha.
Apo.
So yun yung parang pinaka the best na nangyari kasi sa iba kasi ano eh, mahirap din makipag-usap pag hindi sila open or hindi sila
Yes, sir.
naging totoo dun sa mga ano,
Apo.
sa mga sinasabi nila. So sa'yo, naging okay naman yun. Kaya approved.
Thank you, sir. Sir, ito, second questions. May nilabas pa kayong cash out dito sa Expander GLX Automatic. I mean, the 2026 GLX Automatic.
Actually, wala.
So, actually, it's a 29,000 down payment. So, nagawa natin ng paraan para wala kayong may cash out. So, malaking bagay para sa inyo. So, especially kung sa business or even sa personal nyo gagamitin. Okay, so third question. Anong masasabi mo sa akin bilang iyong ahente?
Sobrang approved. Kaya kuha na kayo dito kay Sir Ray. Walang bias yun. Talagang i-assist ka niya hanggang sa dulo.
Sir, okay lang ba if you don't mind, if we can disclose your, what do we call that, if we can disclose your profession?
I'm a government employee.
Okay, even si ma'am, government
employee.
So both are them ay government employee na natulungan natin magkaroon ng expander. And at the same time, yung kinuha nilang expander is
Walang down payment, zero.
Okay, again sir, maraming salamat sa tiwala and congratulations. Ingat po kayo sir palagi.
Okay.
Kung may concern sir, clarification or any assistance needed, ito sir vlog ko, makikita nyo, okay lang ba na i-feature ko kayong dalawa? So, kapag may concern sir, you can call me or message me. Again, congratulations sir. Maraming salamat. Ma'am Alvina, thank you so much. Shy type si Ma'am Alvina eh. Thank you Ma'am. Maraming salamat. Ingat po kayo. Sir, yun, additional pala. So, yung plus 3 years warranty, you can repair it to your workmate or even sa mga kilala mo. So, actually, hindi siya every month yung plus 3 years na warranty. So, maganda siya, especially sa inyo, kasi 6 years. So, from 3 years na warranty ng sasakyan, magiging 6 years. So, mahaba yung warranty or yung coverage ng sasakyan. So, yun lang naman, sir. You can tell it to your friends. Sir. Okay. Thank you po. Maraming salamat, sir. Ma'am, okay na. Thank you.